People, listen and tell me if I crush bread vice. Come why people know say no lie me I tell. Cause me know me not tell lie. You tell me if I crush bread vice, sir. Listen. Thief in dirty hungry belly crush bread. Tell me if I know vice, sir.
Martin just reply to
one
message them. Martin looking at himself, my fight to be a house and
crush bread.
Martin looking at
paper. I crush bread vice that day. People from all Harbour. Is that crush bread vice? Who know crush bread and vice at the comment? Alright. Yeah, people must say yeah. Alright. Here are crush bread bad mind people. On a screen record this year. I'm gonna show you how bad mind crush me. Nah, I set nobody in the box. If I not Bobo Dan come from Wall Harbour, that's why I see me accept him. If you not come from Wall Harbour, I not confirm. Alright, people know, alright. People from Wall Harbour, you see it? People say a crush bread vice that. You people know you're a crush bread bad mind. And tell me if another fine kill Naya too. Look, listen people.
Self and say, when me gone, who will get my house and land?
House and land, the man a war over another.
House and land, I feel it, bro.
But suck your mouth with top chat.
Yeah, man, the
house
and land is for me. And me and Scrapper go stop, brother. Yeah, dad, when I get fixed, my dad, Scrapper come pull your house and change off the lock and then sitting there, brother. Watch this, Leonard.
People, you hear a crush bread, bad mind youth. Me say, if we not kill crush bread by year, if we done, we not name our name, bro. When you hear a crush bread, bad mind youth. When you hear a crush bread, bad mind youth. Yo, crush bread, half dead youth. Me say, when me say crush bread, half do. Crush bread, half go warm. Tap up my screen, people. Come why people know say me their life. When you hear a crush bread, bad mind youth. Stop chat your mother, man. Anybody say stop chat me, I block them. Pussy, saying bad mind. A man bad mind, he want a family, bro. Crush bread bad mind, he want a uncle, a big man we can talk out pan him. Here if an advice not them, he must send the people him. Here, listen.
Just understand more and understand what is badness, you know. Cause my sister not understand, and sister run down in funeral quicker than how we would and get it.
You hear crush bread say? You hear crush bread say? Crush bread say, one a uncle a run down in funeral. A man say, crush bread say, one a uncle a run down funeral. So a man willing to kill his uncle over a house. I want to kill him man just because man contact say, in kill Naya. You get me? A man come out contact, say, crush brother, you kill Naya, so you want be done. A man come burn him out, a man contact everything. You see me? A man contact and say, yo, and you kill Naya for true. And him begs, and they send him and be a voice note. Here him a send a voice note. Listen, finish your voice note.
That's it. You need to reason with me, you need to get me know what me and him talk, man.
Time man not take no talk from him, you know.
I show him so me
Tap up the screen, people.
When him get fixed or when him not get fixed. I love, it's easy to get comfortable.
People, I where the crush bread come pan life, you know. I where the crush bread come pan life and I say, you know, involved in a badness and danship. And you know, involved in a no fuckery. Remember, say, where the Rasta Batty boy come pan live attack, boy, you know. I am name crush bread and you know, involved in a nothing, you know. Remember, you know. Remember, you know, man, come back. So, all you send your family and vice note to threaten them. Eh? I say, you know, involved in a nothing. So, I said, thing me, I tell them about 1 cup of sauce. I said, style, all of them have up. They love on talk, but they not involved in a nothing. And when I check to see, they involved, and them are all criminal. So, I try to show the people, talk this to them when they talk, bro. Them are all criminal, bro. I'm you feel it too. Because I tell no fuckery. Me and the man family them a link. And me and Naya family them a link, bro. And them a give me all the info them. You see me? Alright. Yeah, I mean if Rasta Bobo involved. Rasta Bobo, we can't trust all that boy because you are going, we can't trust Rasta Bobo. The man give him if they watch the road. And him gonna link girl and make the youth dead. So we don't care what him want say or when he want to come pretty up. We don't give a fuck about him. She can go dead too.
It's easy to ride up and down, it's easy to go there, so go sit down and drink and laugh, it's easy to walk. You see, in comfortable, in love one, go there, so go well up and did this well and then sit there. So I want to get to him that.
Tap up the screen.
I want him just reply to one of my message them. I want him looking at himself, my fight to be a house and land. I want him looking at himself and say, when me gone, who will get my house and land?
Yo, if crush bread want killing one a uncle, and if crush bread want killing one a family, which is an uncle, I think an uncle, if you want a house and land, when God dead left. Imagine Naya. Me I try to show you. You see, so everything add up and now. Alright, listen.
Your house and land are fluid, bro. Yeah, my dad. Your house and land.
Bro, a man house and land when man come a foreign, come fix and build up. Yeah, Crush brother say, I feel it. Crush brother say, in uncle house and land, I feel it, bro. Yo, you have to take bad things, make joke sometime to pussy clad. Yo, Crush brother say, in uncle house and land, I feel him. This way man I say bad man. Crush brother real killer you. Crush brother half a bad man. Crush brother not bad, you bad man youth.
It's for me. And me and Scrapper house that, brother. Yeah, dog, when I get fixed, my dad, Scrapper come pull your house and change off the lock and then sitting there, brother.
So your
Watch
mother,
this,
man.
Leonard. Everybody gone against you, bro. Everton link me and say, yo, Leonard a pussy man youth. Rare, and show me how I go on. Everton. Freedom is a must, Everton. Me done for you get free. Dog, they are jail. Dog get to me every night. Nick, say you're a pussy. You're a pussy because you style the dog over a Benz, over vanity, and your brother that you have 2 cars and your brother drive the Benz. You don't love the dog? Don't give dog a food to mash me up and the dog try and it not happen. Where you take back the bench and the dog for?
Have you taken Suboxone film and experienced dental issues like cavities, tooth loss, tooth fractures, or decay?
Crush brother have
Buy
cavity.
gas and them shit there. The dog not have a problem for buy gas.